Hello students, if you are preparing for class 12 physics, then these 4 option MCQ questions are very important because similar questions are frequently asked in board exams and competitive exams. Watch the video till the end and try every question. Question 8. VVI board favorite. The C unit of electric flux is A NC, B cm superscript 2, C nm superscript 2c. D VM. Correct answer. C. Exam view. Unit based direct MCQ. Question 2. According to Coulomb's law, the force between two charges is inversely proportional to A. Charge, B. Distance, C. Square of distance, D. Medium. Correct answer. C. Question 3. If the resistance of a conductor is doubled, the current will become A. Double, B. Half, C. Same, D. Zero. Correct answer. B. Question 4. The C unit of magnetic field is A. Weber, B. Tesla, C. Henry, D. Ampere. Correct answer. B. Question 5. Modern physics VVI. In photoelectric effect, the maximum kinetic energy of electrons depends on A. Intensity of light, B. Nature of metal, C. Frequency of incident light, D. Time of exposure. Correct answer. C. A transformer works on the principle of A. Electric conduction, B. Electrostatics, C. Electromagnetic induction, D. Resistance. Correct answer. C. If the frequency of a wave is increased, its wavelength will A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Remain same, D. Become zero. Correct answer. B. A PN junction diode is mainly used as A. Amplifier, B. Rectifier, C. Oscillator, D. Energy storage device. Correct answer. B. Gauss's law is applicable for calculating electric field in case of A. Any charge distribution, B. Spherical symmetry only, C. Plane symmetry only, D. Cylindrical symmetry only. Correct answer. B. The unit of capacitance is A. Ohm, B. Coulomb, C. Farad, D. Volt. Correct answer. C. In an AC circuit, the power factor is equal to A. SIN, B. TAN, C. COS, D. COT. Correct answer. C. Which quantity remains constant in a series LCR circuit? A. Voltage, B. Current, C. Power, D. Frequency. Correct answer. B.